turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. 3 ingredients in Zen's top-selling herbal infusion, Golden Milk. You can look at our reviews and see how many people have found relief through this non-caffeinated herbal infusion. It's time-tested and it originates from Ayurveda. If you want to know more about Golden Milk and how medical physicians are using it to actually help their patients in ways pharmaceuticals can't do, please go to the website www.zenstea.com and click on the Golden Milk link. There are many people today who are suffering from arthritis, joint pain, and muscle spasms. Medical physicians prescribe Golden Milk to help their patients who are suffering from these illnesses. One thing that Zen's Tea House customers love about Zen's Golden Milk is its simplicity. Turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon, all organic and no artificial ingredients. It's GMO-free and people have the ability to use different ingredients and different milks in this Golden Milk blend. Many people add black pepper to their Golden Milk to amplify its benefits. If you haven't tried Zen's top seller and most popular drink, Golden Milk, please go to the website zenstea.com and get yours today. We offer a free, no hassle, if you don't like it, we'll replace it, tea guarantee. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call at the number below, or you can email us at info@zenstea.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out our other Golden Milk videos on our YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.